how to compute Kruskal-Wallis test using Jamovi. Let's say, for instance, this is the null hypothesis that we are going to test using the Kruskal-Wallis. So as you can see, this null hypothesis, there is no significant difference in the level of verbal sexual harassment experienced by the college students when grouped according to gender. So as you can see with this is the grouping variable. This gender, as based on our based on my previous videos, that the gender that I am using as the dummy data, I am still using the dummy data that I used in my previous video. The gender groups there, it has three groups. The the first group is the male group, the second group is the female group, and then the third group is the member of the LGBTQIA. So as you can see, if instead of using one-way ANOVA or analysis of variance, if ever, if ever that the data did not met the normality, the normal distribution, basically pupunta ka na agad doon sa non-parametric. Ano po? Let's say for instance, if if hindi niya na-met, unmet yung data distribution, basically pupunta na agad dun ah, sa sa non-parametric test, which is non-parametric or the equivalent o parametric test ng analysis of variance or ANOVA for statistics from parametric analysis of variance. The equivalent for non-parametric is Kruskal-Wallis test. Ano po? Okay, let me show here with you how to do that. Let me open my Jamovi. So as you can see with this, you have to click Analyze. From after you click Analyze, go on with ANOVA. From ANOVA, you have to click this. As you can see, non-parametric. Click one-way ANOVA Kruskal-Wallis. So our dependent variable here is the verbal. This is the overall responses of the respondents when it comes to verbal sexual harassment. And then the grouping variable that we are going to use is gender. So as you can see with this, we have here the p-value of 0.67, meaning to say the decision here is this is a greater than 0.05. The decision is failed to reject. The null hypothesis and the interpretation is not significant. As you can, we can also observe here the degrees of freedom na 2 and x squared value of 0.779. If ever that this p-value is less than 0.05, we can click this effect size and then at the same time the fairways comparison. As you can see, per grouping variables, it compares the grouping variables. And then makikita dito kung ano siya, ano yung may pinakang among the three groups, alin sa grupo sa three groups ang may pinakang mataas na significant difference. Ano po? Since ang ating p-value is greater than 0.05, with that there is no need to click this one. Ano po? I just show it with you para po if ever in your data ay lumabas na there is a significant difference, you have to click this SCF, the pairwise comparison. But in this case, let's unclick this. Ano pa? So I hope you learn how to compute how to compute Kruskal-Wallis using Jamovi. Thank you so much po.